Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sourdough baking pan is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in a baker's arsenal. It's the unsung hero that transforms a simple dough into a crusty, artisan loaf. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sourdough baking pans, exploring the different types, materials, and features that can elevate your bread-making game from good to absolutely amazing. Get ready to unlock the secrets to perfectly baked sourdough, every single time. Number 5. Lodge 8.5 by 4.5 inch cast iron loaf pan. This Lodge cast iron loaf pan is perfect for any kitchen. It's great for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The naturally seasoned surface makes it easy to use, and it gets better with each use. The seasoning is simply oil baked into the iron, creating a natural, easy-release finish. Lodge pre-seasons all their cast iron cookware with natural vegetable oil. The more you use it, the better the seasoning becomes. If you see a spot that looks like rust, it's just oil that hasn't fully carbonized. With regular use, it will disappear. If rust does appear, simply clean it with steel wool, wash, dry, and rub with vegetable oil. This cast iron bakeware offers unparalleled heat retention for even cooking. It heats up slowly but retains heat, and won't warp or bend. This makes it ideal for baking and creating lasting memories. Lodge is a family-owned business since 1896. They are committed to environmental responsibility and community development. All Lodge products are made in the USA with non-toxic, PFOA and PTFE-free material. What we like? This Lodge cast iron pan is naturally seasoned, ensuring an easy-release surface. If you are a beginner or looking for a reliable, family-owned product, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who value tradition and quality in their baking. What people say. These are surprisingly non-stick. Just add a little oil and rub all over the pan first, and the bread just pops right out. Cooks very evenly, and the bread comes out perfect. Each loaf has baked perfectly. It's sturdy and well made. I appreciate the longer loaf size for my sandwich bread. The cast iron makes a nice crust in my opinion. Number 4. Cuisiland cast iron bread and loaf pan. This is the Cuisiland cast iron bread baker. It's designed for artisan bread baking. It has a generous 7.2 quart capacity. Made by Cuisiland, this pan is known for its excellent heat retention and easy release surface. This helps you achieve professional results every time. It's made of durable cast iron and pre-seasoned with natural vegetable oil. This provides a chemical-free, non-stick surface, making your baking safe and healthy. The pan distributes heat evenly and maintains stable temperatures. The sealed design creates the perfect amount of steam for a perfectly baked crust. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This pan is suitable for all stovetops, including induction. The ergonomically designed handles allow for safe and easy lid removal, even when hot. It's ideal for baking sourdough, artisan loaves, meatloaf, and even casseroles. This is truly one pan for all your cooking needs. What we like? Cuisiland's pre-seasoned cast iron offers superior heat retention and is suitable for all heat sources. If you like consistent, professional results and need a versatile pan for various dishes, you should choose this one. It's ideal for those who want a reliable and adaptable baking tool. What people say. The bread turned out perfectly, with a beautiful crust and soft interior. The pan is the perfect size for a standard loaf of bread. The lid helps to create steam, which is essential for a good crust. Number 3. Segretto Cookware 11-inch enameled cast iron bread pan. This bread pan is ideal for both home bakers and professionals. It helps you achieve professional results without investing in expensive equipment. The compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or apartments. It is designed to fit easily into your space and provide excellent baking results. Using this bread pan, you can experiment with various bread recipes. It helps you achieve the perfect crust and crumb every time. It has an integrated steam generator. This feature creates the necessary humidity for baking, resulting in a perfectly crisp crust and moist interior. This bread pan can be used on stovetops, ceramic, induction, and in the oven. This makes it a highly versatile tool for all your baking needs. What we like? This enameled cast iron pan provides maximum steam circulation for perfect crusts. If you are looking to experiment with different bread recipes and techniques, you should consider it. It's perfect for those who want to achieve professional results at home. What people say. Cooks it perfect every time. It gets nice and hot so you get that crisp crust and soft interior every time. It clearly holds the steam really well. Number 2. Granitestone 6.5 QT Nonstick Dutch Oven. Introducing the Granitestone Dutch Oven, designed to revolutionize your cooking. This innovative Dutch oven combines performance, style, and durability for all your culinary needs. This Dutch oven is made from lightweight cast aluminum, weighing significantly less than traditional Dutch ovens. This makes it easy to handle and serve your delicious creations. Enjoy healthier cooking with the ultra nonstick ceramic coating. Food releases easily, and cleanup is a breeze. You can cook without added oils or butters. The Dutch oven is designed to retain heat, ensuring your food cooks evenly and stays warm for hours. The thick aluminum construction conducts heat efficiently. The heavy lid creates a self-basting effect, locking in moisture and flavor. This feature ensures your meals are perfectly cooked and incredibly delicious. Built to last, this Dutch oven is made from ultra-durable aluminum and reinforced with diamonds. It's designed for years of outstanding use. Cook with peace of mind knowing this Dutch oven is free of harmful chemicals. It provides a healthy and eco-friendly cooking environment for you and your family. What we like. The Granitestone Dutch oven is ultra-lightweight and features a ceramic non-stick coating for easy cleaning. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-clean option, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and healthy cooking experience. What people say. It produces a lovely loaf of bread. This bakes my sourdough loaves beautifully and it isn't heavy lifting into the oven. The inside is wonderful and the dough doesn't even stick. Nice and light, not like cast iron. Works exactly the same without the added weight. Heats evenly. Number 1. Deli&Co. Cast iron bread pan, bake, grill, stew. Introducing the Deli&Co. Cast iron bread pan. This versatile pan is perfect for all your cooking needs. It's designed to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. This pan is entirely made of cast iron, ensuring even heat distribution for perfect baking. It's ideal for baking sourdough bread, creating a delicious crust every time. The pan features ergonomic handles for easy and safe handling. The design makes it simple to move the hot pan from the oven to the table. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the cast iron construction and seasoned surface. Simply wash it and make sure to dry it completely after cleaning. This pan is more than just for baking bread. Use the base to grill steaks and the lid for stews and soups. It's a versatile tool for any kitchen. The cast iron construction provides excellent heat conductivity. It's suitable for various heat sources, making it a great addition to your cookware collection. What we like. Deli&Co's cast iron pan is fully made of cast iron and features ergonomic handles. If you like a multifunctional pan for baking, grilling, and stewing, you should consider it. It's perfect for those who want a versatile and durable baking tool. What people say. The bread turned out beautifully, with a perfect crust and soft interior. The pan is the perfect size for a standard loaf of bread. The design of the pan allows for even baking and easy removal of the bread. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.